I just bought the XReal One Pro glasses and apparently they can turn any place into your own private cinema. Let's see if it's worth it. First up, the manual, which we won't be needing. We've got detachable frames and 3 different nose pads so it sits nice and comfy. A microfiber cloth so it doesn't get dirty. It comes in this smooth looking case. Yo, these look kind of premium still. They're lighter than I expected. Snap the sides to adjust it. Let's check them out. You can connect the cable to your laptop, mobile phone, and even your gaming console. So it's got these transparency modes so you can see outside and just block out your whole view. This is crazy. So I'm basically watching TikToks in a theater outdoors. Not gonna lie, you will look a little bit weird wearing this in public, but honestly, I don't even care. I can actually doom scroll from anywhere.